Hey, part two. We are going to review the ending for No Day But Today. We went over that rhythm and kind of why it feels a little tricky, and then we're going to do the whole thing. And a reminder that for the recording assignment, you can choose either song you want to submit for your final recording, okay? All right, so measure 77. Remember what happens is part one goes no day, no, and it goes back and forth. So one group singing no day, then the next group singing no day. So you wait 3 beats, okay? I'm gonna sing it once to jog your memory, and if you want to listen, that's fine, or if you want to sing along, that's fine too, okay? So you have 1, 2. No day, no day but today. No day, no day but today. No day but today. Okay, so there's that rhythm. So you have 1, 2. No day, no day but today. No day, no day but today. No day but today. Okay, let's see if we can do that. Here we go. Measure 77. Give it a try. Ready, and 1, 2. No day, no day but today. No day, no day but today. No day but today. Okay, let's try that again. It's not hard, it's just making sure you recognize where the rhythm changes, okay? Here we go. Ready, and 1, 2. No day, no day but today. No day, no day but today. No day but today. All right. So if you need to go over that one more time, go ahead, rewind. Otherwise, we're going to try to go back to the beginning and sing it all. And you can kind of see which song do you feel more comfortable with, or maybe you think you sound better on one that you would want to do for your recording assignment. The thing that's hard about this is, well, actually, just like Give Us Hope, it just goes kind of fast. So you have to be thinking ahead, okay? I will try my best. Sometimes I make mistakes when I'm doing the videos back to back where I sing one part even though I shouldn't. Okay, so let's start right at the beginning. Remember, part one starts. There's only this, forget, regret. Our life is yours to miss. No other road. No day but today. There's only us, only tonight. We must let go to love what's right. No other path, no other way. No day but today. I can't control my destiny, trust my soul. My only goal is just to be. There's only now, there's only here. Give it too long, or live in fear. No other road, no other way. No day but today. No day but today. No day but today. Here we go, your master. No day but today. No day but today. No day but today. All right, So practice that as much as you need to feel comfortable. Otherwise, I will let you go for today. If you need to do more, that's great. And if not, no worries. All right. Thank you for singing. Bye.